I'm Juliana. I'm a little bit over-caffeinated and a bit sweaty right now. Can you not make noise, please? Okay, and my windows are open, so I'm sure you can hear a whole lot of noise, but anyway, yeah, welcome to my college dorm room. I'm one of the lucky ones. I got to come back to college, which means I got to decorate my room. So this video is that. Me decorating my walls. Just, what's up with the peace signs, Juliana? I'm living in a traditional double room this year, which means I needed to decorate it and make it beautiful to make up for the fact that I have to use a community restroom. Oh my god, I'm filming a video. No, you're fine. No, I just feel really self-conscious and very sweaty.
Do you want me to leave?
No, it's fine.
Ow, I just pulled my cartilage. So.
That's probably all you need to know about the video. So, enjoy. That's enough of that, okay. What's up? It's voice over me. Hopefully you can hear me. I am currently wearing a mask because I'm sitting in a study room where we're required to wear masks on campus. So hey, here's me using this cute little neon light doohickey that I got last year. Last year I made it into a cloud, but I wanted to do something a little different this year, so I tried to make it into a moon with a star, as you can see. But the walls in my command strips were just not cooperating with me. So that was a waste of time. It probably took me like an hour for that 30 seconds of footage you saw right there to create that and try to hang it up, and then it just failed, and I left it on our floor for several days, and then it got trampled, so now it doesn't even look like a moon and a star, and I have given up. Anywho, then I started in on the actual wall over my bed, and tragically, once again, the command strips failed. Everything kept falling off the wall. I'm pretty sure it was because of the humidity. It was kind of wet outside, a little bit rainy, and the command strips just didn't like the kind of tacky wall. That's my theory anyway. But yeah, so I ended up taking one of the ones out of the frame and like just using 5 million command strips, blowing my fan directly onto my wall and hoping that they stuck. This was also my first time hanging like canvases on my wall, because last year I made a bunch of collages from pictures I printed out and just stuck those up with that blue tacky sticky stuff. But yeah, this was my first time trying to hang like heavier objects on the wall, so maybe that too, I don't know. But anyway, most of these canvases and things that I printed out are actually art that I made over the course of quarantine. Whether or not that is weird, I have not come to a consensus. But it makes me happy to see like a lot of the things that I channeled my creativity into over the course of quarantine put in a new place and made new and happy and shit like that. Yeah, so this is like a mix of paintings I painted in acrylic and oil, and photos I took and digital art I drew, etc. Yeah, then of course I had to put up some string lights. I have this thing about lighting, okay? Anytime, as soon as it gets dark, I just hate using the overhead lights in the room. I think it's because they're very like cool toned and I really vibe with warm tones. Thus, extensive fairy lights. And here is a tour of how it all came out. And there you have it. That's my dorm room decor. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was just for fun. And like this video and subscribe if you liked this video. Okay, goodbye.